now we will continue with this topic, means packing efficiency, how to calculate packing efficiency. And first of all I will tell you definition of packing efficiency. Okay, see, this one is a packing efficiency definition. Okay, packing efficiency means what? And see, the constituent particles, atoms, molecules or ions. Okay, C dot P indicated constituent particles. And which type of constituent particles? Total 3. Okay, atoms, molecules and ions are packed, and there is always some free space in the form of voids. Friends, last lecture, okay, in last lecture we already studied about voids. Void has free space, okay, and this one indicated space or voids. And packing efficiency in the percentage of total space filled by the particles. Okay, packing efficiency is percentage of total space filled by the particles. Okay, particles, you know, atom, ion or molecules. That's why this one is definition of packing efficiency. And formula of packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by atom divided by volume of each unit cell, either volume of unit cell, and here percentage word present, that's why multiply by 100 and easily calculated percentage. And now friends, total how many types of packing efficiency? 3 types. Okay, simple, cubic, okay, FCC, or third one is BCC. Okay, and now our first topic means this one indicated definition, this one indicated formula of packing efficiency, and now packing efficiency total 3 types. Okay, 3 types means simple, cubic, okay, second one is BCC. BCC means body center closed pack, and FCC means face center cubic closed pack. Okay, and now we will start first one. First one means packing efficiency of simple closed pack. Okay, first means simple closed pack or simple cubic closed pack. Friends, you know, this one is a figure or structure of simple cubic lattice. Okay, simple cubic lattice means this one indicated simple cubic closed pack or simple cubic lattice. And you know, in last second, okay, lecture we already studied how many total atoms present in simple closed or simple cubic, this one primitive unit cell, and it has total number of atoms, means total 8 corners are present. Okay, 8 means here total corner 8, and this corner attached with 8 atoms or particles, and that's why this dot indicated total number of 8 atom attached with 8 corners. And in simple cubic lattice, okay, and this one indicated edge length, okay, edge length or distance between one atom to another atom. That's why this denoted by small a. And between them radius present, okay, radius r indicated. That's why when we will study here and I will write also here, first step of simple cubic lattice is equal to, this one is a figure, okay, and first step is edge length of each unit cell is equal to small a. Clear? Now second point is radius of each unit cell denoted by small r, okay, and third point is relationship between edge length and radius r. That's why a is equal to, here I will write here relationship, okay, between a means edge length and radius r. Clear? That's why a is equal to 2r. This one is a general formula for simple cubic lattice. And now friends, we will calculate packing efficiency, okay, and packing efficiency formula is volume occupied by atoms. Volume occupied means one general formula present for spherical atom, okay, for spherical atom this one is a general formula 4/3 pi r cube. Maybe you also learn in mathematics, okay, that's why this one is a general formula. Second thing, when here volume unit cell, volume of unit cell means what? Volume of unit cell. Clear? Volume of unit cell is equal to means जो हम लोग यूज करना चाहते हैं वो वॉल्यूम ऑफ यूनिट सेल इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ यूनिट cell is equal to, you know, A is equal to 2R, okay. That's why here we will easily use, okay, this one is a 4/3 pi r cube, and second thing, volume of unit cell is equal to 8r cube. Why 8r cube present? Because you know this one is a edge length, okay, edge length, then volume of unit cell, this one is each unit cell and whole atom, that's why a cube, volume is a cube. Clear? Volume of unit cell is equal to a cube. That's why here a cube present and a value here already present, okay, means what? This one is a relationship between edge length and radius, and a is equal to when 2r, then a cube is equal to 2r raised to whole cube. Clear? Now we will calculate packing efficiency for simple cubic lattice. See, packing efficiency for simple cubic lattice is equal to, formula is volume occupied by atom divided by volume of unit cell. And in definition what is present? Percentage. Okay, and how to calculate percentage? When here multiply by 100. Clear? And when here multiply by 100 is not present or not used, then this one indicated packing fraction. Okay, packing fraction means absence of percentage, and when percentage word present and percentage word present, that's why here multiply by 100. That's why this one denoted packing efficiency. Clear? And here I will all value are put. That's why volume occupied by atom, and you know simple cubic is total number of atom is 1. Okay, simple cubic has total number of atom is 1. That's why this one is volume occupied by, you can also write for 1 atom. Why 1 atom? Because this one indicated total number of atom. We already learned and calculated how to total number of atom is present. That's why here 1 multiply by volume occupied by atom. This one is a spherical atom formula. Okay, 4 by 3 pi r cube. Clear? And divide by volume of unit cell. Volume of unit cell is equal to a cube. Okay, and a cube is equal to, we can also use value a is equal to 2r. Okay, that's why 4 upon 3. Why used a is equal to 2r? Because easily cancel out radius, r cube divided by r cube. Clear? And easily gives percentage for simple cubic lattice, and that's why pi r cube divided by 2r whole cube. Clear? And when here 2r whole cube present, then 4 multiplied by 1, 4 by 3. Okay, and pi r cube, and you know friends, 2r cube is equal to total 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. That's why here 8, and r cube, that's why we can write 8r cube. Okay, next, इतना सा अच्छी तरह से समझ लो, मैं ये रब कर देती हूँ, फिर अगेन दिस टॉपिक को कंटिन्यू करते हैं. क्लियर? दैट्स वाई हियर I will write some calculation for simple cubic lattice. Clear? This one is a 4 by 3 divided by 8 r cube. Then 4 divided by 3, here pi r cube present. Clear? And 3 multiplied by 8 r cube. And r cube easily cancel out, and 4 to the 8. Okay, that's why here only pi is left. That's why pi divided by 3 to the 6, and r cube cancel out. That's why here only present 6, and we can put this value pi is equal to 3.14. Okay, divide by 6. And please, sorry, here I forgot multiply by 100. Why? Because this one is a percentage. That's why compulsory multiply by 100, and easily formation or value of packing efficiency. Okay, that's why 3.14 multiply by 100, and when 3.14 divide by 6, then easily you got 0.52 value. Okay, and 0.52 when multiplied by 100, then easily formation of 52%, and this one is a packing efficiency for simple cubic lattice. Clear? And friends, second, for NEET or JEE, okay, one question is present. Packing efficiency of simple cubic lattice is equal to 52%, and suppose question is twisted. Okay, then which type of question present? In simple cubic cell, how many voids are present? Okay, voids means between atom one gap or distance is present. This one indicated voids. And you know friends, when this one is one square and whole atom attached with each other by like this type, okay, and between them this gap indicated voids. Clear? And second thing is, when calculation of voids, then here for simple cubic or simple closed bag is equal to total, okay, total 100% is present. That's why we already find out packing efficiency is 52. Clear? Then 100 minus packing efficiency of simple closed cubic bag. That's why easily formation of 100 minus 52. Okay, then easily we got 48%. Okay, this one is a voids value. Clear? And second thing, second question may be present. How many number of atoms present and its spherical atom value is what? Okay, then this one is the constant 4/3 pi r cube. Clear? And when word present simple cube, that's why friends please use one atom, okay, and one atom indicated for simple cube. And how to calculate it? 8 corners multiplied by 1/8 and easily formation of one atom. Okay, that's why this one for simple cubic lattice. And now we will continue in next lecture for BCC and FCC and how to calculate packing efficiency. Okay, and now we will meet in next lecture. Thank you.